Spirit Tower, Cessna November 80798 or 8.
Cessna 80798 or 8, Spirit.
Cessna 798 is about 10 to the north. Wanted to come in and do some touch and goes.
Cessna 798, enter left base to runway 8 left.
Enter left base, 8 left, 798.
Cessna 798, runway 8 left, clear for the option, make left close traffic, wind calm.
Cleared land, 8 left, 798. Sure seemed like it took a long time. 8 left, verified there. Flaps up.
Flaps are up.
Cessna 798, runway 8 left, cleared for the option, the wind is calm.
798 cleared for the option, 8 left.
Around 0 Julie Charlie, turn left and taxi to half mats via Alpha Bravo Charlie Echo.
Alpha Bravo Charlie Echo, JC.
All right, carpet, full flaps. Trying to make this one a little smoother here. Good.
Cessna 798, runway 8 left, clear for the option, wind calm.
798 cleared for the option, 8 left. We'll, this will be the last one. We'll depart VFR north.
Roger, north departure, approved.
Thanks. That's going to be about it, I guess. I don't think I'm going to get any other white ones.
Not unless you add power and climb. Just don't take out any of the green lights.
Yeah.
There, you're right on glide slope now.
Very little bump in the runway back there. Helped it again.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna be out of here.
Good landing.